This is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to equip multiple accessories once in Roblox. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Roblox allows you to customize your avatar in just about any way you want. However, if you want to wear multiple accessories, you may have noticed the avatar editor doesn't allow you to equip more than one item. Luckily, you can easily equip more than one accessories. So in this video, I will show you how to do it. Now I will show you first. Here's when you try to use more than one accessories on your avatar. It doesn't work, right? So you can just open your browser. You can search for PTR Roblox, this extension. You can select this one. You can add this extension to your Chrome. Add extension. After that, now you have add that extension to your Chrome. You can pin this extension. Now you can just open the extension. You can search for Roblox. You can log in into your Roblox account on the Roblox website, roblox.com. You can log in into your account. And from here, you can select on avatar because we want to customize your avatar. You can select on avatar from here. Now you can choose on accessories. You can select on accessories that you want to equip more than one. For example, I want to use more than one face accessories. So I will equip these glasses and also the blush. Now you can see in here you have equipped two accessories, right? After that, you can save it. You can go to characters, creations, and you can update your avatar, or you can create a new one. Now you can go back to your Roblox. You can refresh. You can go to avatar. You can go to your avatar in here. You can wear this. See? Now you have use more than one accessories on your Roblox avatar. It's so cool, right? It's very simple. And in here, from here, if you want to adjust it, you can just adjust the accessories. It's very simple, right? So that is how to equip more than one accessories on Roblox.